This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Tom Martin. New construction ranch home in new subdivision, convenient to everything. Outside all hardy siding for ease of maintenance. Open concept with island kitchen, stainless appliance, granite countertops and pantry. Great room with fireplace, wood floors, nice windows and open to dining area. Master bedroom with tray ceiling. Master bath has dual sinks, separate shower and jetted tub. 2 additional bedrooms and bath. 2-car garage with automatic garage door. Level yard with irrigation system, Bermuda sod front yard. Pretty pastoral setting. For more information, review the details below or contact Tom Martin at 706-252-8020 office.